Hi, today we're here with Helen Craig, a grad student in the University of Maryland Department of Entomology. And today we're going to be using insect ingredients in baked goods.
Yeah, so we're going to be making a banana bread with walnuts and chocolate chips. And for that, we're going to be using a cricket protein powder. It is 100% cricket protein, so it's a high protein powder, which is one reason why using this kind of ingredient is great for baking. So that's our cricket protein powder. And then we're also going to be making some brown sugar chai cookies. And for that, we're going to be substituting 10% of the butter with what I like to call bug butter or black soldier fly larva butter. Black soldier fly larvae are a super cool insect. This is their fat that can be used for, it has a lot of omega-3s and a lot of really healthy fatty acids. And this one also has a very strong nutty smell, so I would waft it. And it kind of looks like a yellower coconut milk in my opinion. Or sorry, coconut oil in my opinion.
I can see that. Okay, so let's get baking.
All right, okay, so we're gonna start with mashing these bananas.
And so why would we be baking with insects?
Well, insects require way fewer resources to produce, so they can feed the world more sustainably. They're available pretty much everywhere and they're easy to mass produce. They also are high in macro and micronutrients that everybody needs. So they're a great source of protein, B12, and all that good stuff. Black soldier fly larvae can turn any organic waste into usable biomass and protein. And crickets, they can consume very low quality foods and turn it into a high quality protein. So both of these insects are very sustainable in the products they create.
Awesome. And then how does that relate to your PhD research?
So my dissertation looks at using black soldier fly larva meal as a soybean meal supplement in dairy cattle and the environmental, social, and economic implications of that system. So looking at methane mitigation, using black soldier fly larva meal as a methane mitigating agent in the dairy cows, and also how dairy farmers and consumers perceive this change and what they think could be beneficial or challenging with that change, and then if it's economically viable and competitive even to soybean meal.
That's awesome. So is your goal to have everyone eat insect products?
I think it would be super cool if everyone tried it. But I'm not gonna, as I said, I'm not gonna force it upon anybody. But knowing that they're there can diversify what your options are. Knowing that we can use it as a feed for animals and for humans is really important for the longevity of, human nutrition and being able to feed the world sustainably.
Awesome.
Excellent.
So they look good. How do they taste?
I don't know. Should we go find out?
Tastes like
Yeah, I don't think
yeah.
anything discernibly different.
Should we move on to the cookie? Sorry.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Well, once you said black soldier fly, I'm like, I taste the flies. I just tasted
Cookies?
chai, good cookies. They're good?
They're good cookies.
I would eat another one. I would eat another one. I would eat another one. I'm ready for a third one now.